Let's create a new project. For the project, we'll enter only the title, blog post ideas. Other fields are optional and we'll leave them empty. We'll be evaluating blog post ideas by the famous acronym THINK. Only say or publish what is true, helpful, inspiring, necessary, and kind. Of course, you could use your own criteria according to your values. To get started with the initiatives faster, we'll copy pre-prepared blog post titles from a text document. Now is the most important part. Take your time, think about each blog post idea from the perspective of each criterion and rate it with carefulness and precision. Don't get stuck evaluating, trust your experience and intuition. Depending on the number of your ideas, the process might take from a quarter till 1 or 2 hours. Lastly, you will get the prioritized blog post ideas listed out from the most important to the least one. Each idea has a radar chart showing how attractive it is from all different dimensions. The wider the blob, the more relevant is the idea. The blog ideas rated above 75% are those that you should write and publish for sure. The ideas rated from 75% to 25% deserve your consideration. And what's left is not worth your attention.